Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky. Welcome to day 17 of my video a day streak. Normally I'm over there on the drums, but today I'm not because it's now late at night and my kids are asleep. I had a real busy day today, and then this evening and afternoon I had to go over to the church and record all the music for our Good Friday service and to start to prep for our Easter service. So that took up most of my afternoon, and now the kids are asleep, so I can't be wailing on the drums. But I still wanted to stick with my commitment to bring you a video a day. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about drum covers. So last night I was editing the mistake video that I put up yesterday, and I started watching these drum covers, and I started watching drum covers from people from all over the world, and there was like little kids, and there was like middle-aged people, and there was old people, and there was girls, and there was boys, like just kind of all ages and genders and races, and it was really an amazing thing, and it made me really happy to see all these people playing the drums. And so I started giving a bunch of likes and a bunch of positive comments and really trying to spread positivity. Because I saw also like a lot of thumbs down and kind of people tearing people down, and that made me a little bit sad. When I was a kid, the only way that you could have somebody hear you play your drums besides your parents, like, "Hey mom, come look at the beat that I learned," and they're like, "Yeah, that's great. We've been hearing it all day because we can hear it in the house." You'd have to get a bunch of buddies together and form a band and go play like at some churches or the bowling alley or something like that, or you could play at church or you play in the school band. But now through YouTube, like everyone can share their art around. And art is a beautiful thing. And so remember that music is not a competition. I know we're all trying to get better and faster and all those things, but at the base of things, like music is not a competition. It's an art form. And it's one that we should celebrate in all people, whether they're better than us or not better than us, or whether they interpret things differently than we do, or they play differently. Like we should appreciate that, because we are all, at the end of the day, when we play the drums, we're artists, and we are trying to create art, and we should celebrate that. So I want to challenge you guys to go find a small YouTube channel, like with not very many views. Just type some song that you know of and drum cover, and find the one with the least amount of views and click on that and just leave a positive comment, and let's just spread some positivity in the drum community. Like, we're all in quarantine, we got the kind of virus going on and the pandemic, and everyone's afraid, and there's a lot of fear, and you'd be surprised how far a positive comment and a thumbs up can really go in somebody's life. So let's try to do that. Let's try to spread positivity. So that's kind of my encouragement to you guys today, is to not fall into the trap of seeing every other drummer as somebody who's your competitor. We should support each other as drummers. Like, the more drummers we have, the more equipment drum companies will make, and the cheaper they'll sell it for, because they're going to be selling more of it. So that's a win for us. Also, the more inspiring things you'll hear, and the more drums will be pushed and progress as an instrument. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, I haven't done any drum covers on my channel. All I have on here is drum lessons, and I tried a few guitar lessons, but they didn't do so well. And so I'm sticking with drum lessons, but I was thinking maybe doing some drum covers, if that's something that you guys would like to see. So if you'd like to see me do some drum covers during this less than a day streak, comment below and let me know what you'd like to see me cover, if you'd like to see me cover something. And I'd love to take a crack at doing some drum covers. I think it would be fun. And not so I can show off or be the greatest, because I won't be, but just so I can have fun and contribute something to the drumming community more than just these lessons that I do. So guys, I hope that helped you out. I hope that encouraged you to go encourage someone else, and to remember to bring positivity in the world. There's enough negativity in the world. Let's as drummers be positive and encourage other drummers. So give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more great video content, drum lessons. Go back and check all the videos out that I've been putting up. I've been putting up a video a day for the last 17 days, and there's a lot of good stuff in there. And I think you'll like it, and I think you'll be encouraged by it, and I think you'll be stretched by it. Comment below, what should I cover? And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another great video lesson. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you tomorrow.